Hey guys, welcome back to my Lightwhip tutorial series, and on this week's tutorial we're going to get back into some fiber building tricks, and we're going to learn something I call a neck wrap fakie. So for our neck wrap fakie, I'm going to show you guys first what it looks like, and then we're going to get into the trick. So in order to do this trick, you do not need to know how to do a neck wrap. However, it will make this trick a lot easier to do. But as long as you understand the basis of neck wraps and how they work, this trick will be fairly easy for you to learn. So the first thing you're going to do, if you are not comfortable with neck wraps, is you're just going to practice this trick right here. So catching your whip. So you're going to wrap it around your neck and just catch it. So instead of actually whipping it back to your dark wall plane, you're just catching it. Once you have become comfortable with catching your whip, you can now move on to learning today's trick. So in order to do today's trick, it's going to be similar to your neck wrap, where you are wrapping it around your neck. However, as soon as the whip makes contact with your neck, you're going to start moving in the same direction as your whip. So what's going to end up happening is it's going to make contact, it's going to slide off your neck a little bit, and since the whip is moving in this direction, you're going to catch it when it lands here, and then the whip is going to keep moving in that direction, but in the dark wall plane. So what you're doing a neck wrap fakie mixed with a plane change. So first, you're going to spin your whip, so clockwise if it's in your right hand and counterclockwise if it's in your left. So spin it and just allow it to wrap over your neck. So as soon as it makes contact, that's when you're going to start stepping in the same direction as the whip so that you can face the back. So and just become comfortable with this motion right here before you learn the next step. So spin your whip over your neck, start to turn. Let's do that 2 more times, and then we're gonna do the next step. So notice that as soon as the whip makes contact with my neck, I let go, and as I let go, I also start turning in this direction. So turn. And notice what I am doing is that as soon as the whip hits about the horizontal, that's when I'm going to step towards the back and continue the same original motion. So when I first started, it's here, and when I end, my whip is moving in a counterclockwise motion in front of me, but when I end, it's going to be doing it in the back. So what that means is that your whip is going to go around your neck, and then it's going to keep moving in this motion. So it's gonna go like this, over your neck, shoot out, and then keep going like that. So remember, as soon as it makes contact, you're going to start turning, and then you're going to grab your whip and keep spinning it in the dark wall plane. So let's do that all together. Turn. So notice what I did there. As soon as I turn and the whip comes off my neck, I grab it again and take it to my dark wall plane. So let's do this together just a few more times. I'll face the back so that you guys see what it looks like. And that is all for this week's tutorial on neck wrap fakies. And just a reminder to comment, like, subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If there's a specific move or tutorial that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!